Thank you for purchasing your home detailing kit from Peter Cooper Modifications on behalf of Peter Cooper Motor Group. We know you will be delighted with the products and how easy they are to use. Step 1. pH neutral wheel cleaner. Spray directly onto the wheels and leave to soak for a minute before agitating with a wheel brush. Rinse thoroughly once complete. Step 2. Pro Valeting shampoo. Add 1 cap full of shampoo to a bucket of water. Rinse the car thoroughly and wash with a sponge. Once complete, rinse the vehicle down afterwards and remove excess water with a silicone blade and dry the paintwork with a drying cloth. Step 3. Glass shine. Apply sparingly to the interior and exterior of glass and buff with a clean and microfiber cloth. Step 4. Detailing spray. Apply sparingly to the paintwork and buff with a clean microfiber cloth. Step 5. Apply the gloss tyre dressing to the tyre using the provided applicator sponge. Finally, Step 6. All-purpose cleaner. This is safe to use on all materials and upholstery. Simply spray and wipe clean. Thank you for purchasing and using our detailing kits. We hope you enjoy the process and love the results. With our kits, your car will be left looking spotless and sparkling like new. Please visit our website at www.petercoopermotorgroup.co.uk to find out more.